Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDT from Ledger Nano X to Coinbase in 2025. With the crypto world evolving faster than ever, knowing how to securely move your assets is crucial for staying ahead. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes in, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up, updated to the latest firmware, and connected to your computer or mobile device. You'll also need a verified Coinbase account and some USDT in your Ledger wallet. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your device and connect your Ledger Nano X using the USB cable. Unlock your device with your PIN and open the Ethereum app on the Ledger, since USDT is typically on the Ethereum blockchain. This ensures everything is secure and ready to go. Step 2. In Ledger Live, navigate to the Accounts section and select your Ethereum account that holds your USDT. Double-check your balance to confirm how much you're withdrawing. Remember, crypto fees can add up, so plan accordingly. Step 3. Head over to Coinbase and log in to your account. Go to the Send, Receive section and generate a receive address for USDT. Copy this address carefully, it's your destination for the transfer. Step 4. Back in Ledger Live, select Send from your Ethereum account. Paste the Coinbase address into the recipient field, enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw, and review the transaction details. Always verify the network. Stick to Ethereum for USDT to avoid any mishaps. Step 5. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the details on the screen and approving with your PIN. Once done, sit tight as the transaction processes. In 2025, with faster blockchains, this should only take a few minutes, but keep an eye on gas fees. Now, a quick word of caution. Always double-check addresses to prevent scams, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, like a stuck transaction, use tools like Etherscan to track it. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDT from your Ledger Nano X to Coinbase in 2025. This method keeps your funds secure and your portfolio flexible. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.